Many people have either never had their hearing tested or haven't been tested since they were in school. Due to this, we wanted to let you know what to expect when you come to get your hearing tested here at the West Tennessee Hearing Aid Center. Once our office staff gets your information in our system, you will meet one of our hearing aid specialists. They will compile a thorough case history because everyone's past is vastly different. We like to know your family history, work history, general health, and current and past medications. This helps us identify anything that could have affected your hearing over the years. Next, we use a very tiny camera to show you the inside of your ear canal. We look at the shape of your ear canal, the health of your eardrums, and any potential health issue that might need addressing before a hearing test is performed. If visiting your family doctor or ENT specialist is needed, we postpone the testing until all health-related questions are answered. Our hearing tests are performed in sound-treated booths. Your specialist will put small foam inserts in your ears so you can hear the instructions and sounds of the test. The specialist presents you with different tones at different levels, and you push a button when you hear them. We also perform speech understanding tests where words are called out by our computerized testing equipment and you repeat them back to your specialist. Oftentimes, many people can hear but not understand speech. This portion of the test shows us how your hearing loss has affected your speech understanding ability. You cannot fail a hearing test and there's no pain involved. We are simply gathering information so we can examine your hearing to the best of our ability. After the booth testing, you will be reunited with your family and our specialist will compile the results. We then go over the results with you to answer any questions and make clarifications so you will leave with a full understanding of your hearing. The case history, videotoscope viewing, booth tone testing, and speech testing give our specialists the information they need to make recommendations for you. There are times when nothing is needed immediately, so a follow-up test is scheduled. However, it does require all of the test results to make that particular recommendation. If hearing aids are needed, then our specialists explain why one type aid is best compared to another. There are many styles and levels of technology, so we will make it clear which choice we feel is best for you. We also understand that finances play a major role in this process. Therefore, we have a variety of financing options and offer a 30-day return policy to ensure that you and your family are satisfied with your decision. If you choose to move forward with hearing assistance, we will set a fitting time and start you on your path to better hearing. Remember, better hearing, better living.